Hey, what's up everyone? The Crypto Noob here. So basically I'm creating this channel, uh, I guess just to upload anything crypto related as far as currency, mining, trending trading, all the stuff related to currency when it comes to cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all those. Been doing it for quite some time, dating back to 2013. Recently, I've decided to get back into it, so I decided to kind of segment off, what I post on my other channel because I do have another YouTube channel. So the first thing I want to talk about, which is something that seems to be trending, I guess, is Bitconnect. Is it legitimate? Are you gonna make a profit, et cetera, et cetera? Basically, um, you're giving this company X amount of money, Bitcoin, trading it in for, their currency, and it's locked up over X amount of time. So the more money you give them, if you look in this chart down here, the more money you're going to get back. It's held for a certain amount of time. So I'll go ahead and I'll tell you right off the bat, if we go here, I made my first deposit on 12/21/2017 in the amount of 117, I believe. Let's see here. No, 170. Okay. So I invested 170 Bitcoin. I converted it to their trading format, which is BCC. And here we are. We're roughly 21 days later, and I'm at $27.73. So obviously I've made some money in the under a month that I've had it. Now, if we're doing this per 21 days and you're saying, okay, I've already made $27, that's not bad. Plus the additional 170 investment that I have, which I'll get returned in 299 days. So that's not bad for just kind of sitting in there. I have not reinvested it. So if you want, you can actually reinvest here, and then it'll say, how much you want to put. You put 20, and then I say reinvest. I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm gonna keep letting it grow because I'm interested to see, what's gonna happen. And this is like with no affiliates, like no reinvesting. I just kind of want to see, where it's gonna go. I think maybe in 30 days. That's when I'll do it. Maybe sooner. We'll see. Um, for the most part, everything's on the up and up. As far as from a security standpoint, there's a bunch of extra security precautions they have. So, two-factor authentication, which goes to your mobile device or some other sort of portable Android or iOS device, probably an iPad or an Android tablet as well. So, on the off chance that your email account gets compromised, they're not going to be able to log in unless they have that code, which would in turn someone would have to call your cell phone carrier and gain access to your cell phone with the SIM that they have. But we're talking advanced hacking techniques at that point. So from a security standpoint, I do like the stuff they have in place. Everything looks legitimate. I can't really complain because over the 21 days I have made a profit. So, if we're looking at 300 days, close to a year, uh, there's potential to make a few $100s for ultimately nothing, just letting your money sit in there. So, if you're interested, I would say sign up now. I think for the most part, a lot of people think that it's too late, with the current cost of Bitcoin. When I was trading Bitcoin, it was worth like $80, $100, and this was like in 2013. It was like almost worth nothing. I had farms of the USB ASCII miners plugged into hubs. I had some of the Butterfly Labs equipment. I'll see if I can dig up some pictures and show you the stuff I had. At the time, I was working out of my company, so I was actually using their electricity. They didn't know though, but I was part of the IT department, so I just stuffed it in the server, so I didn't have to pay for electricity. That was one of the pros. Um, now that I think about it, it's kind of funny because they never really said anything, or not that they knew. So, yeah, but I'll go ahead and I'll put the information down below. So if you're interested and you want to check it out, or if you're thinking about maybe investing some money in it, it's a good way to start, I would say. And just see what happens. Give it a month, give it 30 days, and if you don't see 10, 20, $30 in profit, then maybe it's not for you. But for me, zero affiliates, just every day occurring the interest, it seems to be working. So yeah, I will put all the information below. Be sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. There's going to be a lot of content coming to this channel, so stay tuned. All right, guys, take care.